years I challenge myself to learn as much as I can in 2024 and also share some of my lessons along the way. Happy New Year and welcome back to a beautiful video. This is the first time in a long time that I've done like a sit down video. Like, you follow me back to back on my channel here, you will know that it's been long I did like a sit down video on my channel. It's just been vlogs. So thank God for that. We thank Jesus Christ for this iconic video. Guys, I'm so sorry for my inconsistency, my laziness, backsliding. I'm so happy because we all made it to the year 2025, and this is the first video of the year 2025. Yeah. Wait, before we get on with this video, please don't forget to either like and subscribe. Like 93% of you watch my videos, but you don't subscribe. Share this video to your friends, families, and even strangers. Looking back, 2024 it was a year filled with challenges that tested my patience, my resilience, my determinations, a lot of things. That I'm still facing, but I still thank God for where I am today, because yeah, you don't know where your mates are also. So I just want to thank God for where me I am right now, because I know it's not the end of the world here. You know, when Nigeria has happened to you, that's okay. So I just had to, like, anytime I remember that feeling, I just feel so overwhelmed. Like, not like
happily overwhelmed. I don't know if I can really explain that. You really get me? Like, that sheer amount of information that I need to process, and it hasn't been easy for me, but I just had to like adapt, and just that phase will be.
a significant challenge I encountered was managing my time. Another challenge I encountered was trying to like learn a new skill. Yeah, I tried to learn a new skill, which I really don't know where and how I'm gonna do it. So I know by this year we are going to like that skill, definitely. So I also struggled with imposter syndrome, which made me question my ability. Like, am I not good enough? What did I do wrong? Stuff like that. And I guess my decisions, it was like tough to shake off that feeling that I wasn't good enough. But I learned to address it by focusing on my strengths, seeking feedback from others, and yeah, celebrating the little wins, celebrating my achievements. So these challenges in my personal relationships, where I had to like navigate conflicts, set boundaries, and communicate my needs more effectively. I don't think I really have much to say, because I have a list of what I learned in 2024. So that's why I'm looking to say, if you've noticed, my New Year resolution list is to put my feet on the beaches. I don't want to like take too much of you guys' time, but the first thing on my New Year's resolution list is to be your own main character. Got that information from Kamsi Namani. She's a YouTuber on this platform. Yeah, still, you should just go and check out our channel. So yeah, she said being a main character, like you trying to like control your own life, making good decisions, not bad decisions, making good decisions for yourselves. You get, don't let anyone get in your way. I didn't say you should not let anyone tell you good advice or tell you the things to do, but as long as you know what you're doing and you believe in what that person is saying, like it's for your own good, so you can go on with that advice. Do you get what I'm saying? So be your own main character. And if there's anything you think I've not added in this video, so just let me know in the comments section. So learn a new skill. Yeah, I wrote this down. Learn a new skill. Try learning a new language or hobby or software. You can learn tech. I don't even know what tech is. Oh yeah, I don't do that one. You can learn that. You can learn makeup. Is even makeup I want to learn as well. So let's go stitch. I want to learn makeup. So learn any skill. Like, don't focus on one thing. I think that should be the next topic, but yeah. Don't focus on just one thing. If you're doing YouTube, be doing Facebook, but doing Instagram, just be doing different things. But work is not giving you money. At least the other work you are doing can be giving you money. On my New Year's resolution list is practice self-care. Learn to meditate. Learn to get enough sleep and take regular breaks.
Because nobody really said it for you.
Nobody really give a damn about you, okay? Learn to meditate and take care of yourself. You want to gym, go and gym. You want to get fit, just go to the gym, and you can even do that at home. You don't even have to like spend a lot of money. You don't have to like get an exact money before you say you want to hit the gym. You can do that here. That's why social media is here for you. Another one is to improve on your mental health. Set boundaries. Set boundaries. It's not for you. If you didn't do. Don't force that friendship. Don't force that relationship. If it's not for you, it's not for you. If they are showing you signs that, okay, I don't like you, maintain your lane. Practice forgiveness, okay? And surround yourself with positive people that have good vibe, energy that brings out that energy, that brings out that positivity in you. That always surround yourself with good people that help you grow, people that want to help your life. Not people that jealous you and you get, not people that collect for you want to dry your pockets. And in return, they don't give you anything. Did you get? Spend quality time. And what do I mean by spending quality time? You make time for your family and your friends and people like seen in a while. Your friends don't go. Don't always put your phone on D&D. If you know if you're the type of, I raised that, but I stopped it. Learn to be grateful. Keep a gratitude journal or record. Keep things you're grateful for. Just be grateful. Appreciate the little things. The little things that matters. Okay. So all what we just talked about is the personal goals. Now we're going to be moving to the environmental goals. Yeah. Recycle and conserve water, and it's important, but it's just for your environment. Do you get me? Or sustainability. Start a garden, compost, or support eco-friendly businesses. Support people, give to the orphanage, the motherless, the beggars. You get me? Give out. It's good to give out. Don't be stingy to yourself. If you want to give out. Educate others. Puts that impact in someone's life, good impact, okay? Another one on my New Year resolution list is to be consistent. If you're a content creator like me, like this message is definitely for me. If you're a content creator, whatever you do, you're a YouTuber, you're a business entrepreneur, and you see that things are going one way or the other, don't be inconsistent. Make sure you keep doing that thing. Do you get? No matter what is going on, no matter the situation, keep on doing that thing. We all will get there. You will get there.
Okay, I'm talking to you. Look into my face. You will get there. I will get there.
Keep doing it. Even though it's like 15 naira, start up your business. Start it. Even though it's just an Android phone you have with you, you don't have your tripod with you. Don't wait until you have everything all figured out. You can't have everything all figured out in one day, okay? Don't be lazy, okay? Don't be lazy. Keep on doing that thing. And if you have a specific niche, for that your video, or you need more advice from me, like you want to start up a content, or you want to start up your YouTube, or you don't know what, you don't have any idea of what to do, just let me know in the comment section, okay? I'll be right there. I'm also the type of person that will say, okay, I'll do this thing tomorrow will come. Now I will not do it. I'll say I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it next tomorrow, that next tomorrow will come, I'll change my mind. Like, don't be lazy. You are still in your 20s, no matter the age you are in. As long as it's like this, okay, keep on doing that thing. Keep on doing that thing. As long as you set your mind to that thing, you say, yes, I will achieve it. You will. On my New Year resolution list, it's the financial goals. Make sure you save, no matter the amount of money you have. Make sure you save. It doesn't mean I have plenty of money and I can never run out of money. Save for your future. You know you are not saving for yourself. Save for your future, for your children, your future children, your future wedding, your dream wedding. Save for that, okay? Love yourself. Love yourself more than anybody. Love yourself more than, I don't say you should be stingy to others. So love yourself, but let's take care of others as well. If there's any other thing I've not added to this video, please let me know in the comment section. We are all advising ourselves. Thank you guys so much for watching to this very end. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You know you haven't subscribed, I'll just give you 1 minute to subscribe right now. Thank you so much as you do that, and please make sure you like and share this video. It's very important you comment. See you guys in my next video. Bye.